Yes, ma'am. Now I am started recording.
Okay, ma. Let's start your seminar.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Sarmake. I am here to explain the big data analytics in heart disease prediction. Can I continue?
You continue, ma.
Okay, ma'am. First thing is introduction. Introduction of this project, this seminar, ma'am. There are currently several researchers who have developed machine learning approaches for the early detection of chronic diseases. The wearable devices deliver lightweight, low cost, and light health monitoring system in healthcare areas. Big data analysis in healthcare is very convenient and useful to use technology to produce medical data with Spark and machine learning algorithms to predict the health problems.
What is machine learning?
Machine learning is a language used to convert the computer program into machine. Don't know.
Continue. Continue, ma. Continue.
Okay. Most health education initiatives require the prevention of the disease and early identification of disease. The hospitals and specialized centers and health centers of the general administrations of primary care are the main providers of health services to the public of patients and citizens. Computerized health information systems have become a major issue of concern to all managers in health organizations. This helps to provide the information that is very convenient to decision makers. Next, moving to points, objectives. Aim of this comprehensive literature review is to examine the current standards, methods, and uses for big data to develop the heart attack prediction personalized medical care plan for the patient. Big data analysis is useful in predicting heart attack, and the technologies used in big data are extremely vital to the management and tolerating of treatment for cardiovascular disease. Effective and tailored medical treatment can be developed using these technologies.
Continue, ma.
Next, moving to the point area of the project. Healthcare providers needed to use the big data from the health status of the users to analyze the data using parallel computing to create and validate personalized application for medical data. Electronic medical recorders are the set of medical data to be processed to provide useful knowledge about the healthcare. There are several medical sensors available that can provide wearable device based on health monitoring application. Next, moving to the point methodology. Systematic review of the literature concerning big data analytics in healthcare, big data analytics, big data in heart attack prediction, big data and telemedicine visualization, and in the internet all countries was conducted in December of 2016. Specific search terms were utilized in this study. Some of the search terms applied to the selected database include big data analytics in healthcare, heart attack prediction, heart attack prevention, visualization, and big data. Most of these studies were conducted either in the US, United Kingdom, or Australia using different definitions, various methods to collect the data. This big data analytics in healthcare. The general process of data analytics can be comprised of two phases, which are illustrated in figure 1. Big data analytics is changing the way we experience, provide, and receive the healthcare. Next is the diagram for the general process of data analytics. In this diagram, we have two phases. First one is the discovery and next one is the application. As more and more data becomes available through the EHR. Next, moving to the point, benefits to the organization. Big data can help to create.
Soumya,
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
hear me? Just go to the previous slide. Not next slide. Previous slide.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Explain me this. No, this is the main thing. You should explain me this. What is acquisition? What is pre-processing?
Preprocess.
You explain.
Ma'am, I searched in Google, ma'am. I didn't get the explanation for this diagram.
See, what is the method you are adopting? You should explain me this. Otherwise, how come it will serve the purpose? What is the method you are adopting? That is the main thing.
Okay, ma'am.
You should explain me this, ma. I've told no. The main thing is methodology.
Methodology.
What you need to everything, every block you need to explain. What is the meaning of acquisition? You are collecting the data.
Ma'am,
Right? That is nothing but acquisition.
I know pre-processing and integration and analysis. I don't know acquisition.
Okay, what is pre-processing?
Before processing, we have to collect all data and continue the processing.
Okay, next integration.
We have to integrate the all data, like patients' data, like patient's data. We have to integrate. First we have to collect and we have to continue to the analysis.
In analysis, what you are doing? In the analysis, we have written correlation, trends, and pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Correlation. No, first we have
written. Okay, tell me.
First we have collect the element and structures of the patient. I'm like but structures, and first we have to collect elements and structure, and then we have to go to the interpretation.
In the interpretation,
there are algorithm model. In that classification, regression, segmentation, and association and sequencing. This
explain
is
all those
definitions, no?
What is regression? What is segmentation?
Firstly, classification means we have to classify all the elements and structures, no? Regression.
Okay, you have told here apply algorithm. Which algorithms you are applying here?
Forest algorithm.
Forest algorithm.
Yes.
What is that algorithm? Can you explain me that?
Don't know.
Go to next slide. Explain.
Yes, ma'am. Methodology. challenges and future trends, as well as the conclusions or original research. Conference papers, reports, and PowerPoint presentation material was considered when related to the primary sample. Next, moving to the point benefits to the organization.
Explain, ma.
Benefits to the organization. Big data can help to create pioneering breakthroughs for the organization that know how to use it correctly. Big data solutions and big data analytics can not only encourage the data driven decision making, but they also empower your workforce in ways that add value to your business. Big data analytics helps organization harness their data and use it to identify new opportunities. That in turn leads to smarter business moves, more efficient operations, higher profits, and happier customers. Next, moving to the slide advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of this, this is the heart disease prediction, increase the accuracy for effective heart disease diagnosis, handles enormous amount of data using random forest algorithm and future selection, reduce the time complexity of doctors, cost effective for patients. Disadvantage is prediction of cardiovascular disease results is not accurate. Next, moving to the point future scope. In healthcare, big data uses specific statistics from the population or an individual to research new advancement, reduce cost, and even cure or prevent the onset of disease. In recent years, healthcare data collection has moved into the digital realm, making analysis faster and more accurate. Next is conclusion. Program approach offered a board computer structure that manages EHR computer, focused on streaming data from connected medical devices and prevent history for patients. The implementation of the system provide high accuracy of 90.6%. This result of the efficiency of the SVM classifier was assessed in terms of consistency, recall, precision, and goodness. This receives offers that latest information of big data analytics in healthcare, predicting the health, heart attack, and tailoring medical treatment to the individual. Effective and tailored medical treatment can be developed using these technologies. The suggested methodology was of better precision than the traditional SVM of parameter tuning. Ma'am?
Okay, ma. See, if you have put anything in the slide,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should able to explain that slide. Otherwise, you should not put in the slide. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The main thing is here you need to explain the methodology. That is the main thing.
Yes, ma'am. Diagram. Yes.
Diagram. Okay, ma. You can end your seminar.
Thank you.